We are expert of ocarina now. Ta-da! This is Taiwan in our heart.
Yeah.
Hi, Teacher Ling.
你好，这是陶笛，这个是我们英歌做的，就是6口可以发出11个音的陶笛。
And what is it made of?
这个是我们英歌的特色陶瓷做的。
Oh, why is it shaped like Taiwan?
我们是希望说由英歌的特产陶瓷来做成这个台湾的造型。
And can you show us how to play this
Yeah.
amazing ocarina? Do is
Re
Hold everything.
hold everything is do.
对
And
re
then lose the middle finger is re.
mi
Mi.
Change finger.
Yes.
fa
Fa is
To
away.
right up.
We are expert of ocarina now. So let's paint the Taiwan in our heart on this ocarina to show people how beautiful Taiwan is.
Yeah, let's do it.
Ta-da! This is Taiwan in our heart.
Yeah.
That's a very cool Taiwan.
Yeah.
Yes.
Very badass.
Matches my outfit.
You look so cool with it, like a fashion baby. What about you, Stephanie? What does it mean?
And Taiwan has many colors to me, so yeah, that's why I just put a lot of colors on there. Yeah.
3, 2, 1, let's switch it to the back.
Okay.
And I have something to announce.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Ta-da! We didn't like tell each other to do the same thing, but we just automatically did like the faces and the lips.
Actually, before I saw videos of people playing the ocarina, and it sounded like a very fairy sound, and I couldn't understand how they make this sound, so I really wanted to try it. And we were lucky to try it today, and I felt really happy because at some point it's a little bit harder than you think, but after you understand how it works, it's really easy. So I really enjoyed playing it, and I really want to go back home and Google the other tutorials how to play it, like how to play different songs beside Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. So yeah, I'm really happy I got this, and I really enjoyed the process of learning.
Danan, ocarina. It's probably one of the weirdest experiences of my whole life, so let me describe it to you. 3 foreigners holding a Taiwan-shaped ocarina and just sitting there with a teacher and just playing it. Oh, actually, we're playing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, which is like kindergarten's theme song. So it's just the scenario is just so weird. So I was playing it and I'm just like thinking about how weird this is, and I kept failing and laughing. I liked it because it's small, but you can, play some Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. I think doing anything with Stephanie and Yana is just very nice quality time. I enjoy every moment with them.
So today we went to this shop to make this ocarina, and what's very interesting is that it's actually in the shape of
she asked us to paint Taiwan as how we saw it, you know, just how we felt. How we felt or even how we felt in the moment, you know. And I don't know why, I just felt I wanted to give it a lot of colors because that's how I see Taiwan. Because since I've been here and also since I've been traveling around the world to different places, I always feel that even though Taiwan is a small country, but a big island, and especially when the lady, she told us, she said that she really wanted to pass on this tradition, actually, like to Taiwan. And now, like being able to do this, play this instrument in front, like on Taiwan Plus, you know, like for it to have opportunity to show the world, you know, I was really excited about this, actually, you know. I'm always excited about being able to share a tradition to the world.
To me, Taiwan is about friendship. I made so many friends in Taiwan, especially this year. I met you too.
Yeah.
Thank you, teacher Lei, for letting us having this amazing experience together. It's too cool. It's cool.
谢谢。